Guys, we saved another AU from going to a wreck. And if you want to win this car, all you got to do is buy a sticker at the link below. Let me tell you a bit about it. So the deceased estate old lady had this car in her garage. Unfortunately, she passed away. And I was doing a shoot at a house because I do a bit of real estate photography. And this was there. And the owner said to me, because they know I do cars, and they're like, hey, George, are you interested? And I was like, no way am I interested. And then they sent me a couple of photos, and this is what the photos look like. So that's the before, and this is the after. I did Photoshop this vision here when I first saw the car. So it's got the cloth trim, businessman's vehicle back in 2001. So this is actually going into Elite Auto Upholstery this Friday to get some repairs done to the seats and some recoverings. It's got the auto, it does have aftermarket head unit as well. Roof lining's also been done by Auto Elite Upholstery. Sparkling burgundy is the color. So with these wheels on, it does look like a higher spec model. I've had so many compliments. A guy came up to me before, like a metro train worker. G'day mate, if you're watching this, because I told him to subscribe. I'm like, oh, subscribe to the channel, because we're actually giving this car away, and all you got to do is buy a sticker at the link below, and every sticker you buy gives you an entry to the draw. Do you think it suits these wheels? It did come with the XR6 BA wheels to start with. And originally this car had a nasty scrape right here. So the rear guard scrape. So on-duty panels fixed that up for us. Took it into their booth and fixed it. And then we also took this car for a full paint correction there as well. So Dilla showed us his magic, and we filmed like a whole tutorial video on how to paint correct the car his way. Like I've learned a lot. I look back on those videos from when I was doing the EA and I cringe. And I was like, man, I should have just taken more care, but you learn. That's what you do. You mess around, you learn, and you improve, and you put your stuff out there and people give you feedback. And that's what, you know, don't be scared to give it a go. That's the whole idea that I'm trying to portray here. So this is the Series 2 model. So the Series front has like a smaller grille. This is one of the best looking fronts in my opinion. So actually I think this is a Series 3 style front, because Series 2 has color coded grille and Series 3 has the gray grille, which kind of breaks it up in my opinion. We're still working on this car, so there's heaps of improvements that I'm going to be doing as well across the next month. So one of the most common issues on AUs is this vent here. See how that side's got that grille thing? I actually bought it on eBay, I haven't fitted it yet. So the paint when we first got this car was looking good from far, but far from good. And we've gone over it, done a full 2-stage paint correction with Dilla. He just did parts of the car and then I did the rest. The paint is not perfect on it. It does have a few little, it's got a little scratch there, but you know, I'm getting people coming up to me saying like, you don't even see AUs this clean? And I'm like, look at it. How sexy is that? It is slightly lowered. I got the black plates on there too. So I feel like that just kind of suits it rather than having the big, you know, like Victoria Garden State white plate. It kind of just makes it look a little bit more class. I opted, so we did a full exhaust on this car as well. So just a standard exhaust, I should say, because the original one was leaking. I just opted for this nice clean black tip. I didn't want to go anything too fancy and try and look flashy. We also, with Thomas, we fitted a whole set of brakes, brand new brakes front and rear. It also got new front wheel bearings. Let me just tilt this camera up so you can see the brand new exhaust just under there. And you can see the brand new brakes through there too. So front and rear brand new brakes. Let's have a look at the interior. So there's a couple of things I want to do that I'm going to do. I'm going to redo these plastics. So there's the interior. So the Series 2 AUs like this one have that beautiful black interior. The Series 1s have like a grayer color, and then the Series 1.5s have like this middle bit gray, and it doesn't have a clock, it has like a Falcon badge. And also the good thing about the Series 2s was it come factory with a CD player. So yeah, these seats do need a bit of attention. The bolster here is broken, so Ryan from Elite Auto Upholstery is going to do a remake on these seats, and he actually has this original material again. but we're not sure if I should go all out reupholstering the seats because it is quite pricey. So let us know in the comments what you think we should do. Should we go all out and save this thing proper? On the inside of the door here, common issue on the AUs is that discoloring. So we haven't got around to that yet, but Ryan reckons to paint this up again and should be fine. Should be good. Yeah, just got to a bit of discoloration on the, like the little, what do you call it, the seat adjustment thing there. Let's pop the hood and have a look. So it's done 280,000 Ks. This one here is dual fuel, which is kind of cool. It's like the ultimate daily. So there she is, the mighty Intec. Haven't really detailed this at all. But yeah, pretty clean standard engine bay. It's got a new battery in it. And there she is. There's not really much to see in here, but other than the Intec, fully standard with the gas, which is super efficient, runs on gas. It's got a nice little neat switch. I'll show you it inside. Right there, see that? And weirdly, the petrol gauge, when you flick that switch, the petrol gauge will change depending on whether you're on petrol or gas. There's no separate gauge for that, which is interesting. So yeah, at the end of this month, September, we're giving this car away to one of you guys. All you got to do is just buy a sticker at the link, the AU sticker. Let me know what you think of it. And the more stickers you buy, the more entries you get. Use this car as a daily. It's a perfect first car. I mean, it'd be a bit of a shame to turn it into a drifter. Yeah, manual swap it. I just think it's beautiful how it is. Like, it's just sitting nice. The wheels look good. The color's beautiful. What more do you want? I mean, you could engine swap this thing too. You could turbo it. I do have a paddock bomb one of these, which has an aerial that's functional. This one here doesn't seem to be going up and down because they're, what do you call it? Electric. So we're going to be popping that one on as well. We did give the headlights a rejuvenation. That was probably at least 4 or 5, 6 months ago. They are kind of yellowing up a little bit. They're still presentable though. They're still pretty good. This one here is probably worse because I think we wet sanded this one, but not this one. So we'll see how we go. Let me know if you reckon I should put brand new headlights in there. This mirror here needs a bit of a paint. So there's a couple of things to do, but stay tuned on the channel and we'll show you all the rest of the stuff. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick look at this car and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.